guys, and welcome back to another cheat day video. Today I want to do something different. I want to eat only foods I never had before, and this time it's fast food edition. So I want to go to places I've never been to before, which becomes harder and harder over time because you just go to almost every place. But I found a few places that I actually have never been to and never eaten at. And this morning I want to start with Baskin-Robbins and Steak and Shake. So Baskin-Robbins is like an ice cream place, always connected to a Dunkin' Donuts for some reason. And Steak and Shake is like a burger and shake place. I went to Steak and Shake and I went to Baskin-Robbins. And before I tell you what I got at Steak and Shake, I gotta finish or start this because this is from Baskin-Robbins. It's a cookie ice cream sandwich. And it's almost leaking. It's a macadamia nut cookie with cookie dough ice cream. And who knows, maybe I find a new gem. So let me try this cookie sandwich. It was warm. Obviously, it's not anymore. It's melting. It's bad. It's bad. It's melting. I want to say it's pretty good. This is pretty good. The white chocolate in that is very crunchy, and you get a strong macadamia taste. And the ice cream, I couldn't get so much from the ice cream because it was melted, but I want to give this a 7 out of 10. That's pretty solid. Yeah, 7 out of 10. All right, what I got from Steak and Shake is fries because they don't have any breakfast items. Fries, these look funny. And, they hooked me up. And a patty melt. Honestly, I don't really even know what that is, but we'll find out. And of course, guys, I've been missing my Nutella, so I got a Nutella shake. So here's the thing. I can barely find anything with Nutella here. So I was so happy that when I saw that they had a Nutella shake. Let me try this for you. Like, I don't know, you can't really see because there's cream on top, but that tastes exactly like Nutella. That's good. It's very thick, but I love that. I'm craving Nutella. Oh, this is good. This gets 8 out of 10. Okay, let's see what this patty melt is about. They didn't cut it for me. No. It's a toast. Oh, this is gonna get messy. It's a toast with onions, cheese, steak. It looked pretty good, so let me try this for you. That's actually pretty good. They have roasted onions on top of there, cheese, steak. That is pretty solid. I have never been to Steak and Shake, not that I can remember. I went back into my videos, but it's close to our house, so I thought I gotta try it out. Let me know if I should do these kind of videos, like eating food I never tried before, like a general cheat day edition. I think that would be fun. Also challenging because I tried a lot of stuff before, but not everything. This was pretty good. It's warm. It has a sweetness from the onions. Cheese. Honestly, I was positively surprised by this. 8 out of 10. Alright, let me clean my hands real quick. Alright, we still got the fries. I mean, I don't have ketchup. Let me try those fries. These are so small. Could be hash browns. I wish I had ketchup, but these fries are pretty good. They're on the light salt side. You know what? I'm gonna try to dip them in the shake. Here I got the shake. And ooh. Oh yeah, that's Nutella. Oh, this is delicious, honestly. I don't know if this is gonna work. Nutella on fries? I don't know. About this Nutella shake though. Alright, I guess I'm gonna just finish the fries like that. Fries are overboard. These fries I want to give these fries a 7 out of 10. They're not bad. They're definitely comparable. I like them a little thicker, a little more salted, but so far, so good. I'm positively surprised. I would get everything again, but I should eat the ice cream cookie quicker. That's breakfast. I'm going to try to make a dent into this shake, and then I will see what I got for lunch. Places I haven't been to, fast food edition. I'm eating their food. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, it has been a few hours. I did something for school. I'm trying to, you know, take this day and enjoy myself as much as I can. And that I will now, going to a fast food place that if they knew I have never been there, they would probably roast me on Twitter.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
I'm talking about Wendys. I've never been to Wendys, if they knew. So I'm gonna go to Wendys, and I'm also going to go to Checkers. Checkers is also a burger place. They also serve hot dogs. But what they're most famous for is their fries. And I think I tried the fries from Nate one time, but I myself have never been to Checkers, so that's where we're going right now. What do you say about that? You're gonna be fit when Mama's back, okay? Oh yeah, she's just been outside and now she's tired. So cute. All right. Can I have the home-style Assaggio ranch chicken club sandwich, please? Oh, you know what? Can I have the bacon and cheese potato as a side? Alright guys, I made it back. I found a parking spot and I went to Wendys and Checkers and got some food. So from Wendys, and I'm excited to try that Wendys. I'm so sorry that I said I never had you, maybe you're proving me wrong and that I should have you every day from now on. But yeah, I got a baked potato from Wendys, a bacon. Oops, I'm actually excited to try this. It smells really good. I hope that focuses. And a sandwich. First up, I have a chicken ranch assaggio sandwich. And I gotta say, it looks pretty good. It has bacon, cheese, everything you want on a hamburger. So let's try this bad boy. Pretty good. I guess I gotta say that's pretty good. People were coming out to switch parking spots, but this is a proper chicken sandwich. The cheese is good, the chicken is crunchy. You're coming through, Wendy. I don't know why I never had Wendy's before. I want to know, guys, what is your underrated favorite fast food restaurant? I'm not saying Wendy's is underrated, but I'm asking you guys. That sandwich, 7.5 out of 10. Would eat again. Let's try this baked potato. Has bacon on it, cheese, and it's also something I would never order usually, but you know what? So should I put sour cream on this? Very hard to eat. I need napkins. It's hard to eat, and you know what? I'm going to put light sour cream on this. Oozing out. Okay, let's try this with sour cream. You know what I think makes this dish? It's the bacon. The bacon gives it a crunch. The sour cream, I mean, it's sour cream, I get it, but it's too sour. Like, I like sour cream, but this is, I think I put too much. Alright, this is the best I got. Honestly, that was pretty good. I like this. I want to give this also a 7 out of 10. I thought that was pretty good. It's something different, you know? Alright, let's see what I got from Checkers. So Checkers has amazing fries. And I didn't just get normal fries, but I got chili cheese fries. I'm actually excited for these. I think, as far as I remember, Checkers has one of the best fries. And they put a lot of chili and a lot of cheese in this. I mean, I hope you can see that. But yeah, look at that. That is proper. I can't really taste the fries, but the chili is pretty good. Because, I mean, the fries lose their crunch. But they would be fire. Could also be because I took so long to find a spot. Because fast food is fast food. You know, I like the tradition in the car. I'm really enjoying these. And I love the fact that they put so much chili and cheese on it. I'm a big chili fan too. A good chili con carne. Oh, so good. All right, we're almost through. I want to give these an 8.5 out of 10. I really enjoyed these ones. Let me know in the comments what I should try from Checkers that is good too. Because I saw they have burgers and hot dogs, but I don't know. So let me know if there's something I should really try from Checkers. And these were delicious. 2 for $1. That's why I got 2 apple pies from Checkers. So let's see how they are. Oh wow. They are so crunchy. They have a warm apple filling. They're rolled in cinnamon and sugar. Wow. Honestly, these are a 9 out of 10. They're warm, crunchy, flaky, but soft inside, moist. 9 out of 10. These are amazing. Wow. Honestly, didn't expect that. Because in Germany, we have McDonald's who tries to mimic this, but they're never good. They taste greasy, they're squishy. These are next level. If you ever had these, let me know in the comments how you like them. And if you didn't, go try them and then tell me how you like them. Make a mess. I'm gonna clean up here. That was honestly delicious. That is places number 3 and 4. I'm feeling pretty full right now, so I'm gonna take a break, go back studying, maybe take a nap, and I catch you for my next place I've never been to. Guys, it has been a while. I had to do some schoolwork, some editing, and we were visited by the Papa. I actually got pizza from Papa John's. Never had pizza from Papa John's. Never had pizza from Little Caesars. The only pizza I had that was fast food is probably Pizza Hut and Domino's in Germany, and I got sick from that. So yeah, Papa John, we got a special garlic dipping sauce. It's so American. A thick crust pizza. I think it's actually not that greasy. So I'm pretty excited to dig into this. Yeah, continue with foods I never had before, or food from places I've never been to before. But yeah, let's, I might have to adjust the camera because I feel like it's not straight, but yeah. Look at this slice of pizza. I have to tell you guys what I got. Like, how can I forget? My mind is all over the place. So I got a barbecue chicken pizza Hawaii with candied bacon. So there's grilled chicken on there. There's candied bacon, pineapple, cheese, and barbecue sauce. Too much? Honestly, I think the pizza is pretty good. I gotta say, I was charged $16 for a pizza, so I feel like I can expect something, but this pizza is actually pretty good. It's thick sliced though, so it's gonna be a lot of work to get through this, but I wanna give this a I'm gonna give this a 8.5 out of 10 because for fast food pizza, I think I'd go to Papa before I go to any other place. Also, pineapple does belong on pizza.
She said what?
Pineapple does belong on pizza. I'm team pineapple on pizza because the fruitiness with the savory is just good. But I know everybody has different opinions, just mine. It's a stuffing pizza, what can I say? But it's good. I like it. I think the only thing I'd probably put on less is barbecue sauce. That's the only thing, because I feel like it's a little strong. I'm gonna take a break right here because this pizza is more stuffing than I expected. And I just tried some chips for you on my Instagram, and I tried some Oreos for you on my Instagram. So I think that hits as well. So I have 3 slices left, which I'm going to finish later. I also have some dessert from Papa John's. Oreo, what are you doing? I'll definitely be back. I just have to take a little break. I think I gotta take a nap. I still didn't do that, so.
Later that same evening.
I was able to take a nap. I felt good, and now we continue this pizza, which is cold, but cold pizza is still good pizza. I think this is going to be my last piece. I'm going to leave this to Nate and then go for dessert. I might dip this, one of the crusts though, in the garlic sauce to see what this is all about. Actually, it's very oily. I don't know if you can see that, but this is pure oil. This is just pure oil. So the dipping sauce is a disappointment because it's very oily. So I'm gonna move the pizza and then I'll show you what I got. I got cinnamon pull-aparts. I'm actually really excited for these. So pretty much, it's like monkey bread. These are actually fire. The sugar on these is crunchy. I really like these. Even cold, they get a 9 out of 10. I love these. They're moist on the bottom. Nine out of 10. I might actually get a fork to eat these. All right. These go down so easily. I think I have like an extra space of stomach for sweet stuff. Last piece. I have need to try this because really good. Alright, this is it. I don't know if I'll be having anything else. If so, I'll show you right now. And if not, then this is my outro. This was a like laid back cheat day where I just fast food and nothing crazy, but I think I had a lot of delicious food. And let me know if you like similar videos to this where I just go to restaurants of my choice but order stuff I never had before. Yeah, it was a lot of fun to do that, a lot of fun to experience new stuff. This is to die for, this is super good. And yeah, I love you guys so much and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.